Students, let's we have to discuss about the next very important theorem is factor theorem. What is the theorem? Factor theorem. This factor theorem totally depends upon the remainder theorem. Already we discussed about the remainder theorem. Okay, in the remainder theorem, what we have learned, p of x is any polynomial that want to divide the linear polynomial is in the form of x minus a, then p of a is a remainder. This is the remainder theorem concept. P of a is a remainder. What is a p of a? It remains, that is a remainder. On that one basis, it is defined as a factor theorem. If a p of x is a polynomial of the degree is greater than or equals to 1, p of x is any polynomial, but it is not a constant polynomial whose degree is greater than or equals to 1, either in the linear or the quadratic or the cubical polynomial. Like that, it is any polynomial whose degree is greater than or equals to 1. And a is any real number. A is any real number. Then first condition, x minus a is a factor of p of x. Means one of the linear polynomial is there. This one x minus a. It become a factor of the p of x if and only if the condition is when it is possible p of a is equals to 0. Means the remainder is 0 by dividing one of the polynomial to another polynomial. P of x is one polynomial, g of x is another polynomial. P of x is divided by g of x. Then the p of a is the remainder. Means r of x, it is also called as r of x, is equals to 0 is obtained. Then we have to call it as g of x is a factor of p of x. I hope you understood. X minus a is a factor of the p of x if p of a is equals to 0. The next condition, the second condition, what is? The reverse, the condition it is, what is? P of a is equals to 0. Suppose the remainder is 0. P of x to divided g of x. Suppose it is obtained the P of a is equals to 0. They have to mention already in the data P of a is equals to 0. Then what is its meaning? X minus a is a factor of P of x. On this one condition we come to the conclusion. What is it? P of x is a factor. On this condition, x minus a is divides the, or x minus a is a factor of P of x. Definitely you write p of a is equals to 0. Suppose they have to given p of a is equals to 0, then you give the conclusion of what? Then p of a is what? Factor. Means that is x minus a is a factor of p of x. Means vice versa. If p of x to divided the linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is obtained 0. Remainder obtained 0, this is become a factor. Okay, suppose in the p of x, it is become a factor now. In the suppose p of x, its factor is x minus a. Its factor is x minus a. No doubt at all, p of a is equals to 0 will obtain. If it is a factor, it is a remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, the given polynomial is a factor of the polynomial. Okay, I hope you understood this one, remainder theorem. Next we have to discuss about the 4.3 exercise, the first question. What is the first question? Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first one x plus 1. Like that the few of the question is there. What we have to find? Underline. Find the remainder to underline. Only remainder. No need to find question. Means you should use the application of the remainder theorem. How you are using the remainder theorem? How you are taken the application of the remainder theorem, that is on that one concept, it is a problem is there. Solution step, the first solution step. What is the solution step? Given polynomial, write down first p of x. You have to mention P of x is equals to what is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, this is given, and according to the remainder theorem, the P of x to dividing the g of x, that is the g of x is equals to 0. It is a step of the solution. The g of x is equals to 0. Okay, according to the remainder. If g of x is equals to 0 is nothing but g of x is x plus 1 is equals to 0. Otherwise, you can be write down here, students. It is a g of x is what is here. Which one is the question number 1 is that is a g of x. G of x is equals to x plus 1. Next step, x plus 1 is equals to 0 is there. No, it's next step. X is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1. This x is equals to minus 1, substitute in a p of x, it becomes p of minus 1 is equals to p of minus 1 is equals to x cube minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square, 3x square, 3 into minus 1 square plus 3x, 3 into minus 1 plus 1 as it is. Okay, p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 cube, negative integer to the power of odd number, always it is a negative only. Minus 1 to the power of 3 is nothing but minus 1 only. Minus into minus is a minus. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1 into 1, 1 only. Plus, next plus 3 into minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus into minus, because 1 to the power exponent is not here, means 1 is there. 1 means that power is 1 is nothing but the same sign. Plus into minus is minus. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Next, p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. See, simplify the students. Minus 1 plus 1 0 plus 3 minus 3 0, then the total value is what is 0. Okay, then what is the remainder? Therefore r of x, remainder of x is equals to p of minus 1. P of minus 1 itself is a remainder, then r of x is equals to what is, already find the value, p of minus 1 is 0. Okay, I hope you understood. Always it is a 0 only, no students. Sometimes it is a constant number also will come. Okay. See the students, the second question, the same first bit second question. What is the g of x is x minus 2. P of x is divided by g of x. Now the g of x is equals to what you are writing? G of x is equals to x minus 1 by 2. Okay, x minus 1 by 2 is the g of x. Same step. What is the step? According to the remainder theorem. According to the remainder theorem, what is g of x is equals to 0. G of x is equals to 0. That is nothing but g of x value is what? X minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Is nothing but minus 1 by 2 and x is equals to plus 1 by 2. Put x is equals to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial. Okay. P of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2 is equals to x cube 1 by 2 cube 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3x square 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3x 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, P of P of 1 by 2 is equals to P of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 whole cube means A by B whole cube or A by B raised to M. A raised to M by B raised to M. Like that the exponent law we have to use. 1 raised to 3. 1 cube is 1 only, students. Okay. 1 cube is 1 only. 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8, like that. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 is as it is. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Okay. Plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 as it is plus 1. Okay, students. This is P of 1 by 2 is equals to P of 1 by 2 is equals to, continue simplification, 1 by 8 as it is plus 3 ones are 3 by 4 okay, plus 3 by 2 plus 1. How to add these all the terms? How to add 1 P of 1 by 2 is equals to by taking the LCM of the denominator. 8, 4, 2 and that nothing means 1. These all the denominator LCM. Already you know in the previous class you have to study how to find the LCM of the constant number. Okay. Then what is the LCM? Please tell me. 8, 4, 2, 1. LCM is what? Yes, you are the right. 8 is the LCM. What is the LCM? 8. Okay. 8 is the LCM means nothing but 8 how much are 8 ones are means numerator to multiply 1 means 1 is as it is. 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are. The numerator term to multiply 2. Okay. Then what it is become 3 twos are means 6. Why it is a 6 sir? The denominator is 4 is there. LCM is 8 is there. 4 how much are 8? That 2's are. That 2 we have to multiply for which number to numerator. Okay. Numerator and denominator both to multiply it becomes 6 by 8. Then the same denominator is becomes no 8 is here already is there. Then the numerator is what? 6 plus 2 how much the 8? 2 4's are. Means 4 to multiply numerator and denominator. What it is becomes 3 4's are 12. 2 4's are 8. 8 is already denominator is there. The numerator what we should write? 3 4's are 12. 12 we should write plus. It's a denominator. Nothing is there. Means 1. Okay. 1 how much the 8? 1 8's are. Means multiply to 8. It is 8. P of 1 by 2 is equals to, add the numerator 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 12, 19. 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay. So, 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 8 is how much it is? 27. Okay. 27 by 8. This is P of 1 by 2. If you are divided this one polynomial to this one x minus 1 by 2, definitely remainder will be remains 27 by 8. I hope you understood this one. The third question of the first bit, x is equal, first one is x. First one, the given P of x is divided by x. Then g of x is equals to x. According to the what? Yes, what is according to the remainder theorem? Remainder theorem. Very good, correct. It is according to the remainder theorem. Then next is what is the student step? Yes, g of x is equals to 0. You are the right. G of x is equals to 0. What is the value of g of x? Is x. X is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. This x is equals to 0 put in the equation 1. Then P of 0 is equals to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Okay. P of 0 is equals to 0 cube 0 plus 3 into 0 square is 0. 0 into 3 is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1. Okay, p of 0 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Any number plus 0, any number plus 0 is number itself, that number is 1. Okay, therefore r of x remainder is equals to what is p of 0, p of 0. Then r of x is equals to what is, r of x is equals to what, p of 0 value is 1. Okay, the remainder is 1, students. I hope you understood this one. The fourth question, the first bit, fourth one is x plus pi. Okay, then p of x is as it is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is equals to x plus pi. Okay, according to the remainder theorem, g of x is equals to 0. The value of g of x is x plus pi. X plus pi is equals to 0. Then x is equals to what? The plus pi to send that side, minus pi. X is equals to what? Minus pi. The where the x is there you have to substitute the minus pi in the p of x. P of minus pi is equals to x cube minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay, p of minus pi is equals to minus pi cube is minus pi cube only, minus cube is minus only, pi cube is pi cube. Okay, next plus minus pi square is pi square into 3 pi square plus into minus 3 into pi 3 pi plus 1. Okay, see the students here not defined the pi value, we should keep this much only. This is the remainder, this is only the remainder. Okay, therefore r of x is equals to what? p of minus pi. Okay, r of x is equals to this only we should write, minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. I hope you understood this one. Okay. The fifth question of the first bit, g of x means p of x to dividing the 5 plus 2x. Okay, it is dividing the what, 5 plus 2x. Then what will become comes in the solution? First step is p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and the g of x is equals to 5 plus 2x. Okay, and according to the remainder theorem, already you have to know the 4 problems, you have to study it same step. According to the remainder theorem, g of x is equals to 0. The next step, what is the g of x in this problem? 5 plus 2x is equals to 0. 5 plus 2x is equals to 0. The next step, 5 to send that side, 2x is equals to minus 5. Then x is equals to what? Minus 5 by 2. Put x is equals to minus 5 by 2 means p of minus 5 by 2 is a remainder. You should be finding the value of p of minus 5 by 2. P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to, what is the first one? X cube minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3x square, 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2. Okay, plus 1. Just what I did here, in the p of x, x is equals to minus 5 by 2, I substituted. Then I got, this is the equation. P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to
P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 whole cube. Minus cube is minus. Minus cube is minus. 5 cube is 125 and 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 as it is, minus a square is a plus, 5 by 2 whole square, 5 square is 25 by 2 square, 2 square is what? 4, 2 square is 4, plus into minus 3 5 is a 15, plus into minus is minus 3 5 is a 15 by 2 as it is, 3 5 is a 15 by 2 as it is, plus 1. The next step is P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 125 by 8 as it is, okay, plus 3 into 25, 3 is 75, plus 75 by 4 as it is, minus 15 by 2, okay, plus 1. Now simplify. P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to, what is it? LCM. Okay, how to take the LCM in the previous class we have to study it. Okay, 8, 4, 2 and 1 denominator numbers LCM. Okay, 8, 4, 2 and 1, its LCM is 8. Okay, 8, how much the 8? 8 ones are means minus 125 to multiply 1 only. Then it becomes minus 125 only. Okay, 4, how much the 8? 4 2 is the 8. Means numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. Already 4 2 is the 8. 8 is here is there. Okay, 75 2 is the 150. 75 2 is the 150. And next it's denominator. 2, how much the 8? 2 4 is the, means numerator to multiplied by 4. 15 4 is the 60 plus, okay, nothing is there, denominator means 1 is there. Okay, 1, how much the 8? 1 8 means multiplied by numerator to 8, then 1 8 is 8, the whole divided by 8, minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8. Okay, P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to, P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 125 minus 160, means minus terms make in one side, minus 125 minus 60, it becomes minus 185, correct? Minus 125 minus 160, it becomes minus 125 minus 60 is become minus 185, plus 150 plus 8, it become 158. Okay, whole divided by 8. Make subtraction in the roughly side. In the rough side, minus 185 plus 150. How to do the in the rough work like this? Minus 185, in that 158 subtract. What the answer will become? That is in the minus only. In the 15, 8 subtract. In the 15 8 subtract, it remains 7. It remains 7. 1 is given here 7. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. Means minus 27. Okay. P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to what? It remains minus 27 divided by 8. That is, it is what? R of x. This is the R of x. P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 27 by 8. Okay, students, I hope you understood this one. Okay, this is only the R of x. Okay, students, the next question, second question of the exercise 4.3. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. What is the polynomial? X cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by the another polynomial, that is a linear one. What is that one? X minus a. By using the remainder theorem, how to solve this one? Let us we have to see here. The given polynomial quality as a p of x. P of x is equals to, what is that one? X cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, it is a polynomial. The divisor which one? G of x. G of x is equals to, which is a g of x is here? X minus a. X minus a is the g of x. Okay, p of x divides the g of x according to the remainder theorem. Which theorem? Remainder theorem. According to the remainder theorem. What is according to the remainder theorem? As you same procedure as we did in the previous problem, same one. What is that one? G of x is equals to 0. What is the g of x? X minus a is equals to 0. Okay, implies that x is equals to what? Minus a to send that side, it is a plus a. Okay, substitute in the p of x, x value is a. P of a is equals to, okay, x cube. What is that one? A cube minus a into a square, ax square, a square plus 6x, x is nothing but a, okay, minus a. Just I substituted in the p of x, x is equals to a. Then I got p of a is equals to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Next step. What is the next step of this simplification? Let's we have to see here. A cube is as it is. Okay, a cube minus a into a square. A into a square is a cube plus 6 into a is 6a minus a. Okay, p of a is equals to plus a cube minus a cube get cancelled. In the plus 6a minus 1a is cancelled. It is means subtract. It is in the 6a 1a subtracted. It remains what is 5a. It implies that the remainder is nothing but r of x. That r of x is what is here? P of a. Therefore, r of x is equals to, what is the answer? R of x is equals to, what is the p of a value? That one you have to write. It is 5a. Okay. The question is what? Find the remainder. What is the remainder? R of x is equals to 5a. When the given polynomial to divided by the x minus a means x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a to divided x minus a, then the remainder is 5a. Okay, are you understood?